How long you staying?
As long as you'll have me, brother. Man, I missed you. Oh, we're gonna have some fun. Where's the food? Hey, you got any paper sour cream? Man, I miss this place. Body slam! Give me that remote. Sorry. I got. Okay. You, me? Oh, okay. I got it. Okay. Here. Oh.
Ow! Why?
So, I gotta be honest. I don't know what she sees in you.
Oh, it's such a headache. Ugh. Sheesh.
Acupuncture does wonders, my man. Just hold still. I am YouTube certified.
That's it. I can't take it anymore. You gotta go. You're out. You're out. You're leaving.
Why don't you make me, my man?
I will. I will. Right now, look at this. Oh, I feel better already.
Okay. Well, what if I give you one of those? Huh? Now what are you gonna do?
Look at this. You see that? I feel good still.
I'm starting to feel like you don't want me here.
I'm starting to feel like you don't want me here.
Oh my goodness. Okay, I don't need this. I got grandmas I could be throwing downstairs right now, okay? So talk to the hand. Good day, sir. Good day, sir.